Hello, my name is Feng. Welcome to my channel. This is my first YouTube video ever. I will briefly introduce a web app I built in the last 4 days using Streamlit and MongoDB. The app is named as a no code XGBoost. In a nutshell, it allows the user to run the XGBoost without writing a single line of code. The user does not need to log in to use the app, but the model they run will not be saved to the database without login, and hence they cannot retrieve the model they run before as a guest. Here I will just log in. And to use the app, the first step is to either use the example dataset or choose a dataset of their own. Here I'm choosing this dataset. And under the hood, I'm using pandas to read the data, and pandas might not be able to identify all the categorical columns. So the user is expected to to specify all the categorical columns. The user can check the data they uploaded. They can also check the description of the data, mainly the statistics of the numerical variables. And later on, I will also add some functions to do the data visualization. Um, the next option on the sidebar is hyperparameter tuning. I haven't implemented this part yet, but I plan to do so in the next couple of days using OpTuna. The third option is the critical part of the app, which is to run the model. To do so, the first step is to specify which feature they want to include in the model. And here I will exclude ID and exclude default because default is the label variable. And as you know, those three variables are categorical, and the app can automatically do the one hot encoding on them. So we don't have to worry about that. The user can also specify how do they want to display the data, and then just click this button. The user will see 4 datasets shown here in separate tabs, so they can explore them if they want. The next section is to specify parameters of the XGBoost. All the values you are seeing here are the default values of the XGBoost. There are a lot of more parameters. Here I only show a few important ones. Later on, I might show more options for the user to choose from. All those are optional, so I'm not going to change any values in this presentation, so I will just click done. And after everything is done, the user can click this button to run the XGBoost model. Usually it will take about 1 minute and 20 seconds to finish the training, but here, since I have already run the same model using the same features and same parameters before, that model has already been saved in the cache. That's why we can see the results very quickly. So the user can choose to download the paycode model for the later use. And they can also download a JSON file for later reference. The JSON file provides some important information about the model, including what variable features were put in the model and the parameters and also the metrics. So the user can check the model results here. I provide 3 tabs. Maybe I can add more tabs because this is a categorical classification problem. So here you will see um, 5 metrics: AUC, precision, recall, F1 score, and accuracy. If this is a regression problem, another side of metrics will be shown here, but I haven't done that part yet. The user can get the ROC curve and feature importance charts of the app, of their model, and they can right click to download the image. Of course, I can also add a download button here. The last option of the app is to check the modeling history. Um, so all the models run by the logged in user will be saved in the database, and they can be retrieved later on. So here you can find all the previously run model, and you can find all the information here. You can also check a specific model. By default, the last run model will be shown here, but you can use this two input field to pick a specific model. So here I'm picking a model I run on 17th. So here is the information of that model, and the user again, the user can download the paycode model. I will not show that here. All right, that's it. So this app is still in the alpha stage. There is some known bugs issue, and it is also lacking some features, and I plan to implement more functions and features later on. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.